Hello beautiful people, welcome back again into my channel. I'm so glad that you stopped by. In today's DIY, we are going to make pillow covers, as you can tell at the title. Here I have this old big top and I was not wearing it and I decided to DIY it. So I am measuring where my pillow end and I am drawing the lines to cut the square that we will be using. Keep watching to see the instructions. Please, if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, just hit the subscribe button and it's free. Join here and you will learn more about home DIYs, decors and all that good stuff. Thank you so much and stay blessed. Now take your ruler and mark 1.5 inches for all the corners. Now we want to mark the loops. Draw 1 inch apart for all the 4 corners also, so that when you are going to cut the loops, they will be neat. Now let's start making the loops. Before, you need to cut a square cube 1 inch apart for all the 4 corners. And now let's start the loops. 1 inch apart, and remember the lines you draw in to the box, that's where it will end. You are going to repeat this process for all the corners. After you finish cutting all the loops, you are going to take one loop and cut a small hole like I am doing here. And yet again, we are going to repeat this process for all the loops. Now let's start the fun part. You are going to take the beginning of the loop and you are going to pass the second loop inside it. You are going to repeat this process for the 3 lines of this cover. This is so fun, guys, and it's so therapeutic. Just keep watching what I am doing. And now, as you can see, we have finished the 3 corners. Now take your pillow and put it in the cover. I love this pattern on this cover. It's so cute. Now take the last loop you had made and continue the process again until you finish covering your pillow. I will recommend you to have a stretchy material. That way it will be easy for you to make with this kind of style. When you get to the last loop, you are just going to tie a knot and tuck the remaining in there and in there, and there you have a pillow cover.